That is chapter 9, percentage and its application, in which we are going to study today the simple interest. Now, what is simple interest? Simple interest is nothing but the interest is given on the total amount which we borrowed or given. For example, if we go to the bank, okay, अगर हम बैंक में जाते हैं कुछ लोन लेते हैं, समझो I have taken a 1 lakh rupees loan from the bank. अगर मैंने बैंक से 1 लाख रुपीस का लोन लिया है, मीन्स व्हाट, दिस 1 लाख रुपीस बिलोंग्स टू द बैंक. ओके, ये पैसे किसके हैं? बैंक के हैं. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस लोन फॉर 3 years, दैट आफ्टर 3 years आई हैव टू रीपे दिस. तो ये जो बैंक के 1 लाख रुपीस है, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज फॉर 3 years. ओके, अब बैंक के पैसे मुझे यूज करने हैं तो मुझे उसके ऊपर बैंक को कुछ चार्जेस देने पड़ेंगे, right? So after 3 years I have to repay this 1 lakh completely to the bank. मतलब 3 साल के बाद मुझे क्या करना है? बैंक को ये 1 लाख रुपीस तो रिटर्न करने ही है, बट उसके ऊपर मैं ये बैंक का पैसा जो यूज कर रही हूँ उसके ऊपर जो एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज मुझे रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा. So that extra charge you can call it as an interest. That extra charge is also called it as an interest, and that is nothing but always fixed according to the some percentage. वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है कि कोई एक परसेंटेज होता है जो बैंक डिसाइड करता है, उसके ऊपर वो ये होता है कि how much that we are going to repay to the particular bank. Okay, so this is here the formula how we can calculate the simple interest, that is principal means the amount which we borrowed from the bank or which we are going to give to someone else, okay, as a given. Then rate is that at particular rate we are giving the or taking the amount of money, and time, that for how much time we are going to use it or we are giving to someone, divided by 100. Okay, and one more concept is there, that is amount. What is the amount? What is the final total money is there which we are going to repay to the particular bank? So that is nothing but your principal, whatever money you have taken, plus that is your interest, whatever you are giving to the bank. So that is called as amount. Okay, so let's just move to the some questions so you will be having a clear idea. Now here first question is there, if the principal amount which we have taken, that is a 4,000 rupees at a rate of 15% per annum and time is for 2 years. मतलब क्या किया कि 4,000 रुपए मैंने 15% इंटरेस्ट पे 2 साल के लिए ले लिए मेरे फ्रेंड से for the using. Now he has taking some extra charge and that charge is nothing but a 15%. Okay, so first we will be calculating the 15% of 4,000. Okay, कि 4,000 का 15% होता कितना है? So 4,000 का 15%, how much it is? This is nothing but 15 4 is 60, that is a 600. But this is a 1 year. How much years I am going to use this? I am going to use this for 2 years. So this is nothing but 6 2s are 12, and this is 1,200 rupees which I have to give him extra charge after 2 years. Right? So instead of doing such a calculation, we can directly put this all the values into this formula. That is, simple interest is equal to principal means your 4,000, rate is your 15%, and time means 2 years divided by 100. So if you do this calculation, what we will be getting? 4,000 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 2 divided by 100. 2 0 cancel, 2 0 cancel. 15 2s are 30, 34s are 12, 2 0 as it is. So this is 1,200. But what amount I am giving means this 1,200 so I have to give as a charge, and 4,000 whatever I have taken, that also I need to give. So total whatever amount I am going to give, that is nothing but 5,200. Got it? So how to calculate the simple interest and how to calculate the particular amount. Now let's just have the second example. Here principal is given as 20,000, rate of interest is 12.5%, or you can call it as 12.5%, and time is given the 4 years. Now you can put the values into the formula. So what is this? These values are 20,000 multiplied by 12.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 100. Now you can do the cutting. 2 0 cancel, 2 0 cancel. 12.5 will give you 50. And 200 multiplied by 50 will give you 10,000. So 10,000 will be the extra charge, and this principal also I need to repay. So that is nothing but total whatever amount I have to repay, that is 30,000. Let's just have the next question in which simple interest is given to us, time is given to us, and rate is given to us, and we need to calculate the principal, that what amount we have taken. So put the values into the same formula. Okay, 660 at place of simple interest, P will be as it is principal, because which we know to calculate. Time is half year, rate is 11. Now, principal you will keep as it is because this is the unknown quantity, and remaining all the quantities you will shift on the LHS side. So 660 multiplied by, now 100 is in denominator, it will go in the numerator when I'm going to change the side. 11 will become go in the denominator, and this 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. This 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1 because this 2 is already in the division or denominator. So it will go in the numerator and this 1 will come down. Now you can solve it. 11 ones are 11, 11 6 are 66, 1 0 will be as it is. Now 60 into 100, that is 6,000, 6,000 into 2, that is 12,000. So your principal is 12,000. Now principal is 12,000, and how much interest you have given, that is 660. So total, what is the amount which we need to repay? That is 12,660 rupees, right? So if any thing is missing, then you can calculate it. Sometimes the rate is missing and you have to find the rate. Sometimes time is not given, which we need to find, and other quantities are given. So using this kind of method, that shifting from one to another side, and you can get the things. Okay, so let's just have move to the next question in which rate is given, principal is given, and amount is given. We need to find the simple interest and time. Now, what is the formula of amount? Amount is nothing but principal plus simple interest, right? Principal and simple interest. Now, amount is given 22,600. Principal is given 10,000. So from this simple interest, we can easily calculate. This 10,000 you can shift on that side. It will become 22,600 minus 10,000, which is equal to your simple interest. So what is your simple interest? Your simple interest is going to be 12,600. Now you can put the values into the formula. Simple interest is nothing but principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time upon 100. Now after putting the value, simple interest is 12,600, 10,000 is your principal, 18 is your rate, and time we don't know. So whatever we don't know, that we will keep on that side. The rest of the things we can shift on that side. Now, whatever is common, you can cut it. This 2 zeros, this 2 0 can be cancelled out. So 18 and this 100 will become 1800. So that you will shift on that side, it will go in division because this is in the numerator. So time is equal to 12600 divided by 1800. If you know the table of 18, 18 sevens are 126. So T is equal to 7. And therefore we can have that time taken is nothing but equal to 7 years. Okay, let's just have move to the next question. This is the new type of question in which principal is also don't know and simple interest is also don't know. Okay, both the quantities are not unknown to us. See, what is our formula? Simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. So in this formula, 4 quantities are there, right? Out of 4 quantities, if 3 quantities are there, then we can find the 4th one easily. But in this formula, 2 major quantities are missing. That is simple interest is also missing and principal is also missing. So what we will do, whatever is given data to us, from that we can try to generate. Now, what is given data? Amount is given to us, that is 31,200. Amount kya hai aapka? 31,200. And what is the formula of amount? That is principal plus simple interest. So now I can equate both the things. That is simple interest plus principal is equal to 31,200. Now in this unknown 2 quantities, we will try to shift one quantity in other terms. Okay, so what we will do, we will try to convert simple interest in the terms of principal. So if I shift principal on that side, what it will become? 31,200 minus T. Okay, it is absolutely okay. अगर आप simple interest को वो side में shift करते हो, principal you can keep it here like this. Principal is equal to 31,200 minus simple interest. That is also okay. It's depend on you that which quantity you want to shift in other terms. Okay, so which I have taken? I have taken the first one, in which the simple interest I have converted into terms of principal. Now put this value into terms of formula. Now this is our formula. I will put the values. Instead of simple interest, this is 31,200 minus P is equal to, principal is not given, so P will be as it is. 4 is our rate, 5 is our timing, and divided by 100. Okay, now if you work carefully, 4 ones are 4, 4 20s are 100, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Just a second, little mistake is there. 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100, and 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So what is remain with us on this side? This side we are having 31,200 minus P is equal to P upon 5. This much is remain only. Rest all the terms got cancelled out. Now you can solve this. How you can solve this? We can have this in this format. Now this P5 is in denominator, we can shift there. So it will go in the multiplication. 31,200 minus P is equal to P. Now this 5 is outside the bracket, so it is going to multiply to the each and every term of the bracket. So this will become 156,000 minus 5 into P, that is 5P is equal to P. Now shift this variable on that side. Variable term should be on one side and non-variable term should be on the other side. So this is 156,000 is equal to P plus 5P. P plus 5P is nothing but 6P, and this is 156,000. Now this 6 is in multiplication. When I'm going to shift here, it will go in the division. So it will divide 1,56,000. And after the division, we will get the principal as 26,000. After getting the principal, you can put in this, you will get the simple interest also. So this is how, if two things are unknown to us, then you can convert one quantity into the another one like this, and you can find the remaining answer. So this is how we have completed almost most of the time, most of the patterns in the simple interest question. If you are having any query regarding this topic, you can put in the comment box and then I will try to solve that query. Thank you so much.